Hello guys and welcome to my channel Nemo's Finds. I am Nemo and in today's video I'm gonna show you a brand new AI studio. With this amazing tool you can turn static pictures into professional videos. Uh, this is a brand new tool. It was launched 2 days ago on 13th of January. So if you are interested in topics like this, please stay till end of this video. I'm gonna go through sales page. I'm gonna show you the demo and how the tool is actually working. And also I'm gonna show you the bonuses that you're gonna get if you purchase this product through my unique link. So if you like stuffs like this, please stay till the end of this video. Okay, now I am here on the sales page. The tool that I'm gonna show you today is called Revio. This is the world's first AI studio that allows you to upload any static picture or 5 seconds clip and transform it into talking or singing video. This I'm gonna also leave you the link in the description down below where you can purchase the product, and you also gonna get a $3 discount. As you can see here, the usual price of the tool is 16 dollars 95 cents, but if you purchase it through my link you can get also $3 discount. So what is very good about this tool, like you pay only one-time fee, so there is no such things as recurring payment, like for example if you use in video or similar tools, you must pay monthly fees. With Revio, you need just to make one-time payment, and you can use this tool forever. And also, like what is very cool about this tool is that you get multi-language, multilingual support. So there is like over 150 languages that you can choose to create your videos. Also, there are over 500 voices, and also there are pre-made. There are over 555 pre-made templates which you can use to create your videos, and you can also export your videos in full HD quality, and also you get license, so you can use these types of videos for your business, or if you are doing marketing, or if you want to make presentational videos for your jobs. So I'm gonna show you here some examples what this tool can generate for you. For example, let's see this video. This was taken the picture of the movie star Rock, and it was turned and it was generated a video based on this picture. So let's see it.
Transform your health with VitaGlow Essentials, your ultimate companion for energy, vitality, and wellness. Feel the difference. Live your best life today. By the way, this video was made using Revio.
You see, it has also this lip sync function, and you can also add emotions to your videos. Now, here is one more example of Donald Trump.
Hello, everyone. This is Donald Trump. If you want the best results, you need the best supplements. And by the way, this video was made with Revio, an incredible tool, just like your supplement. Get it now.
Okay, this is like, for example, Elon Musk.
Hi, it's Elon Musk. Innovation drives the future, and your business deserves the best tools to thrive. This video was created using Revio. Unlock its potential today.
This video, for example, this looks exactly like Elon Musk would speak. Now, what we have here,
Hey y'all, your
Beyonce.
furry friend deserves to shine. Treat them like the star they are at King's Pet because every dog's a diva. Oh, and this video made with Revio app. Get it today.
And for example, also
Hello,
Oprah.
it's Oprah Winfrey. You deserve to know what's happening in the world of wealth and opportunity. Stay informed with our money-making news blog. And this message, brought to life using Revio app. Grab it now.
Very nice, very nice. So there is a lot of examples that you can see on the sales page. I don't gonna go through all of them. Now I will move to the demo video that was made by the vendor of this product. So let's get started with the demo.
Hello, in this demo video, I'm going to show you how our Revio app works. Revio is the world's first AI studio that allows you to upload any static photo or short 5-second clip and transform it into stunning talking or singing videos. It features realistic emotions, lip syncing, and lifelike movements in any niche and language of your choice. Let's get started. Right inside your dashboard, you're going to see human talking singing, human singing character, talking singing character singing. Let's begin with human talking singing. Click on Create Project. And the first thing you'll need to do is enter your project's name. Next, you can choose your media source. Select from the media library, upload your own custom video, upload your own custom photo. Generate an AI avatar. Let's select a template from the library. Revio offers tons of done-for-you, DFY, stunning templates that you can select and activate instantly. Let's choose this one. The next step is to set the voice. We offer multiple voice settings. Text to speech. Select your preferred language and voice. Input your text here and click Text to Speech. Revio will create the voiceover instantly. Upload custom audio. If you have your own music or audio, you can upload it directly. Record your own voice. Click on Start Recording to capture your voice. Once you're done, click Stop Recording. When you're ready, click on Generate Video to create your talking or singing video. If you'd like to use your own custom video, simply click Upload Video and set the voice. You can also upload a custom image, whether it's a photo of yourself or a character. Click on Choose File. A preview will appear. Select the voice you'd like to use and input your script. Click Generate and the video creation process will begin. To generate an AI avatar, follow these steps. Click on Generate AI Avatar. Specify the details such as age, gender, ethnicity, orientation, pose, style, and avatar prompt. Click Generate. Amazing! The avatar has been generated. Next, select your voice and input the script. Finally, click Generate Talking or Singing Video. For generating human singing, character talking, or character singing, simply follow the same process. Now let's check out some videos we've generated using the Revio software. Amazing! As you can see, Revio is a powerful tool that transforms text, photos, or short clips into viral talking and singing videos. Revio eliminates the need for additional tools. With no API costs, no monthly fees, and lifetime access, it's the only app you'll ever need. The best part? You can export your videos in HD quality without watermarks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you inside. Bye.
So as you can see, this tool is very easy to use, is very beginner friendly. And now I am back on the sales page, and I want to show you first the vendor bonuses that you're gonna get as well. You're gonna get as bonus number one, a Revio 6-figure in 60 days live event. You're gonna get VIP access to live mastermind event and copy and paste Revio underground system that they are using to make 6 figures in 60 days. Um, Bonus number two, you're gonna get 26 in one software tools. You're gonna get lifetime access to 26 powerful tools to make your business run smoother and grow faster. These tools are like digital helpers built to make your work easier and improve your online presence. Then bonus number three, you're gonna get Revio Traffic Booster. You're gonna discover the top secret tips and strategies to get tons of traffic to your generated AI talking and singing videos and boost your views, traffic, and sales. You're gonna get as bonus number four, Revio video streaming portal. Instantly launch your own Revio video streaming website without paying thousands of dollars or to hire developers. Then as bonus number five, you're gonna get Revio social media app. You can share all your AI talking videos across various social networks such Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and more. As you can see here, like this product is very hot now. The sales are coming in. You see, it was again purchased, and so I would highly recommend you, if you like this product, to purchase it soon as possible, as I think soon the price gonna go up. And also, I want to mention that you have 30 days money back guarantee. And now I want to show you also the custom bonuses that you're gonna get if you purchase this product through my unique affiliate link that I'm gonna leave you in the description of this video down below, and also as a first comment to my video. So these are my custom bonuses that I prepared for you. I want to mention that these are my unique bonuses, and you're gonna get them only if you purchase Revio through my unique affiliate link that I'm gonna leave you in the description down below of this video. These bonuses you're gonna get as a Google document together with a recipe, together with the receipt. So I prepared for you 4 ebooks and 1 video course. So the ebook number one that you're gonna get, it's about affiliate marketing with ClickBank cash success secret. Then bonus number two, it's a ebook about how to crush it with YouTube, the YouTube master's guides to crushing online video marketing. Then bonus number three, it's a ebook about a mindset. It's called the warrior mindset. As we all know, the mindset is very important to overcome daily obstacles and challenges in life. So I added this ebook as bonus as well. Bonus number four that you're gonna get is 20 online business ideas that you can start this year from the comfort of your home. And as bonus number five, it's the exact step-by-step guide that shows you how you can go from 0 to 5K a month with digital marketing by using Facebook and your Facebook profile and Messenger. This course was created by my friend Carol Fulle. He's also vendor on Warrior Plus, where he's also Revio hosted, and this is a video course series that is hosted on YouTube, but however, this is not something that is published for everybody. This is only for the members of Carol's Next Level affiliate community, but I added this course as bonus as well. So guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you like the content. If you like the content, please smash the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I am trying to make every day a video about new AI softwares and online courses. So once more, thank you for watching and see you in my next video.